Hello guys, I'm back again to share with you another method to make real money online in Nigeria. No matter how what you are doing, no matter where you are, just make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the like button. I also share my video for people to also benefit from it. In this video, I'm going to let you know an application that will enable you to earn cryptocurrency online everywhere worldwide. Okay, you can mine cryptocurrency with this app I want to show you right now. Just make sure you believe in it and keep on doing it. So I want you to just subscribe to my channel, and share my video for people to also benefit from it. And if I'm saying what you don't like, you can also comment on my video that this guy don't like the way you are talking. You can tell me. So the app I'm going to show you right now, I don't want to waste most of your time. I want you to just look at the app and start doing it and start using it the way I'm doing it for you. And don't forget to look at the description below. The link to the app is there. And don't forget, as I always say, subscribe to this channel and like it and share it. The first application I'm talking about is called the Pi Network. Yes, the Pi Network has been existing. The Pi Network has been existing since 2018, and people have been doing it, but some people don't even do it because they believe it is a scam. No, Pi is not a scam. It's a real app that enables you to mine cryptocurrency. You know, we have many cryptocurrencies. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Tron, we have all of them like that. So there are a lot of Bitcoin. We have Doge. Okay, we have many Bitcoin, many cryptocurrency we are using online. So Pi Network is another network that will enable you to mine it, but they've not launched it now. When they launch it, they're going to bring out the value of the Pi Network. Okay, so I want you to just believe in it and start doing it before they launch it, because if they launch it, they may stop the app for mining it, and instead you will be using your money to buy it. This is an opportunity for you to just start earning your own Pi Network with this app. So this Pi Network I will show you right now is loading. So after it loads, you're going to see what the Pi logo. The Pi logo is loading now. So this is the Pi. This is the Pi app. This is where I earn Pi. My Pi is now 957.3874 Pi. Today I have not earned my own Pi today. I want to earn it today, because how to earn Pi, it is every day, 24 hours every day. It's going to stop if the 24 hours has reached. So now my own 24 hours has reached. Now it has stopped. I will now click on this now, on this tab to earn. I'll click on this now. I'm going to start to be earning my own Pi today. So I've clicked on it. So after clicking on them, so this is going to load. So my Pi has loaded. So now I'm earning now 0.34 Pi per hour. So look at it, see 957.38969798. So my Pi is mining in this app. So when they launch it, you're going to see what I'm talking about. This app is not a fake, it's not a scam. It's a real application that will enable you to mine this cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you on the logo of this Pi in Trust Wallet, because they've bring it out in 2019. They've not even bring it in Trust Wallet. 2020 is not there, but now it has been showing in the Trust Wallet now. I will show you now where you will see Pi logo in Trust Wallet. So follow me and see it in Trust Wallet. So if you see it in Trust Wallet, that means it's not a fake. It's a legit app that enable you to make your own cryptocurrency online. So this Trust Wallet now. This Trust Wallet this is Pi. I think you can see this Pi. So this is Pi logo. Have you seen the Pi logo in the Trust Wallet? So the Pi is now here now. That means Pi is not a fake, it's a future cryptocurrency. If you are watching this video and you don't even click on it, I want you to just believe in it and start making your own cryptocurrency with this Pi, because they are future cryptocurrency. Okay, they can even be like Bitcoin if you don't know. So don't believe that everything online is scam. This is a real app. So the second one I'm going to show you now, second one I'm talking about is called the B Network. The B Network is another cryptocurrency that will enable you to mine cryptocurrency online. So now this is the B cryptocurrency. My own 24 hours it's not yet stopped. It's remained 19 hours before it's going to stop. Now it's I've earned 84.707778 B per hour. So I'm going to earn 0.25 B per hour every day. So what are you waiting for? You to start doing this and start earning your own too. As I always do, the video I always make for you, I don't make a fake video, I don't make a scam video, I always make a legit video for you to also benefit from it. So believe in this video and also start doing it. If you are doing it before, congratulations for doing it. But if you are not yet doing it, please, I want you to start doing it so for you to also make your own money too. People in Nigeria, I know you're always afraid of scam. Nobody will scam you. Please keep on doing this. This is going to make you a lot of money in the future, because this is an opportunity for you. This app is an opportunity for you to make real money. Okay, so I'm going to show you the third one. I will show you the trust wallet now, where they show be in trust wallet, because any wallet, any cryptocurrency you see in trust wallet is not a scam. It's a legit Bitcoin. It's a legit cryptocurrency. So any cryptocurrency you see in the trust wallet is legit. So I'm going to show you the B in trust wallet right now. You're going to see. So this is the B icon. The B icon is now here in trust wallet right now. So this is the B. So this is the B. They've not launched it. If they launch it, you're going to see the amount of B. You're going to see it. It's real. It's not a fake cryptocurrency. Keep on doing it before they stop this app for mining. So this app is an opportunity for all of us to earn cryptocurrency with them. They don't think they are scamming you. They want people to join them in order for them to add value to their own crypto. So keep on doing it. The third one I will show you right now. This one I'm just doing it. Everything I used to do. I don't like to be lying. I don't like to tell you a fake video. My video is always real. The one I'm talking about now is called the Stormgain. Stormgain is another one that enables you to mine cryptocurrency online. You're going to mine the higher you want. Okay, so you're going to see my Stormgain amount right now. Before you know, it's legit. It's not a fake, not a scam. But I believe in it, not a scam. The first video I make for you about this, the Pi and the B network and this Stormgain, they are not a scam. Keep on doing it. You're going to see the results if you do it. So this is my Stormgain. This app I'm talking about, this is Stormgain, the app that enable you to mine cryptocurrency online worldwide, in Nigeria, in Africa. You're going to mine it. If you want to mine it, just make sure you sign up in this app and click on more. After you click on more, it's going to take you to where you're going to mine your crypto. Now look at it now. Crypto miner, mine free crypto. Okay, mine free Bitcoin. See. So now I'm going to mine your Bitcoin here. I'm going to share with you the link for you to enter for the link for you to start download this app and make your own now. So now this app will be mining every 4 hours. It's going to be mining every 4 hours. After 4 hours, it's going to stop mining. After 4 hours, it's going to stop mining. So now I'm going to click on this for now. After you see, I will click on it now. I've clicked on it now. So after that, it's going to start mining. So after 4 hours, you can come back again to click on it again to start mining your own. After 4 hours, it's going to stop. So click on this 4 hours. It's going to start again. Start mining its own. So click on it and register. You can also download the app to start doing it. So what are you waiting for? You're going to make it. If you continue this on, keep on, instead of you wasting your data to use Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, why don't you use your data for mining cryptocurrency online? So I keep on making it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also share it and comment. If you don't like the way I'm talking, I say comments. Okay, I'm going to drop the link to this 3 app in the description below, and make sure you click on it and keep on doing it as I'm saying. Believe in it and believe in yourself. Keep on doing it and keep on making money. Have a nice time.